Hello Trishdelek, welcome back to KC Himalaya channel once again guys. So today I will be making this video. As you guys already see on my screen, I have Rinpoche's poster that I got a chance to design this poster, and the 12th Goshri Gyaltsab Rinpoche's Wang or empowerment is happening in Malaysia, Johor Bahru. So here is the venue. Edu City Sports Complex, Iskandar Putri, in Johor Bahru, and organized by Goshri Dharma Center, JB, Malaysia. You know, I'm very happy that this poster came out quite good. And of course, I have a Chinese version. If you guys know how to read Chinese, and to be honest, I don't know how to read Chinese or Mandarin. But with that said, I have experience of doing Chinese related posters many times in my life. So I know how to choose the font and design and stuff, you know. But this Chinese poster probably they didn't use. All right, guys. So this is the Facebook page of the organizer of this one. The Facebook is Goshri Dharma JB. Yeah, so it looks like they made the announcement on 30th November, which is quite early, like almost 10 days earlier. Which is almost 10 days ago. And honestly, I think it's very important to do this announcement quite earlier so it could reach more people, and I really hope that this will reach to the people who would love to participate this wonderful and very unique empowerment that. Yeah, so normally this kind of empowerment is very, very hard, very rare to perform this kind of empowerment or activities unless it is fully, fully functional monasteries or, somewhere in India or Nepal or Tibet. So this one is very special. This empowerment is definitely different from commonly we used to get from the Rinpoche's, long life empowerment, or Avalokiteshvara empowerment, or Green Thara empowerment. This empowerment is totally unique, normally unheard of in many monastery or many sects. It's such amazing that Gyaltsab Rinpoche is the one who is practicing this one. I got this wonderful opportunity to receive this one many years ago in Rimtek Monastery. And yeah, so this one is very unique that only Rinpoche performs, right? So normally this kind of empowerment Rinpoche has performed after completing long, the long duration of transmissions or empowerments that takes many days, to complete. And so Rinpoche used to give this one for auspicious symbol or sign, completion of something important religious activities. But somehow, this time Rinpoche is going to perform this one in Malaysia, Johor Bahru, which is almost unheard of, So I hope people who live around in Malaysia or Singapore, or even Indonesia, Hong Kong and Taiwan, doesn't matter, if you could fly to Johor Bahru and able to receive this one. I think this is great opportunity to participate this one. Yeah, I just want to share with you guys, just not to get bored by pure announcing this how to actually Tendel Kangshuk translate into English. And of course you guys already know that I'm not a great translator, or not even close for the translator, right? Yeah, so you're getting into the auspicious house. You're entering the auspicious house. Yeah, so the one, I think the translation should be entering into Aus, auspicious house. Oh my god, I'm not very sure. I'm not very sure that my spelling is correct. Okay, this time is correct. So it should be. I mean, this is not exact translation, right? It's the exact translation. The people who will translate, I'm sure they will do the better way. But like, roughly meaning is entering into the auspicious house, right? Tendel Kangjuk. Yeah, so this is the one actually. Here is the this small mandala or small temple. The small mandala or temple. So I don't remember very clearly whether I have to get into this temple when I was receiving this, when I received that one. It's many years ago, I don't remember very clearly. But yeah, so I don't remember very clearly whether I got chance to get into the this small temple or mandala shape, right? And this one practice is extremely unique because not many sect. I think nowadays it's very rare to still holding this tradition of this Wang, the Tender Kangju Wang, and even ancient time it was very unique practice that only from the Pha Dhampa Sangye, right? So Pha Dhampa Sangye. So yeah, so this practice come from the Pha Dhampa Sangye. Pha Dhampa Sangye was the Buddhist Mahasiddha from India, Tantra movement who transmitted many teachings based on the both Sutrayana and Tantrayana to the Buddhist practitioner. Yeah, so many of the tantric tradition that practice in Tibet is also from the Pha Dhampa Sangye's tradition, right? Yeah, so this practice is very rare. But now I want to go through some of very important matters that you have to keep in mind while you're going to receive the Wang, the empowerment, Tindel Kangshuk empowerment, right? So I roughly went through the description of the Wang. One thing that I see it is quite interesting to share with you guys is how actually while you're going to receive the Wang empowerment itself, it is very important for yourself to have a proper bath, to keep yourself very clean. And this is most of the tantric practice. You have to keep yourself very clean. Clean means literally, like do proper shower. And so in ancient practice, I think the people used to clean their body with the flowers and herbs, not just cleansing your body. At the same time, you will have those kind of fragrance that come from the flowers and the herbs, right? So especially you have to keep your leg very clean. You have to wash your leg very clean, and then in ancient time they use incense and chandan wood, sandalwood, and all this. They use those to clean your leg, and after that wrap into the clean cloth. So that means nowadays we probably has to wash the leg nicely. After that, probably put into the new socks, right? New clean white socks, I guess. So this kind of practice is, I think, very important to get into this house or this stupa. Rekarjiti is also wrapped into the white clothes. Your leg has to wrap into the white clothes. So if you don't have a white cloth, maybe the white socks will do, I think. Cha chede jinkur shacho ne nupcho pankurs. So then you have to get into the stupa from, doing the prostration from east to west. Yeah, those are the very important. Those are some important things that you have to do before receiving this one, and other things, some important things. But I think those are probably led by the Sangha members. The Sangha members at one. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. And yeah, if you don't know where is the venue, here is the venue. And most importantly, time is 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and day 2, 9 a.m. So same from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. time. And date is here, 25th and 26th December. Merry Christmas, or after Merry Christmas? Yeah, so December, right? And of course organized by Goshri Dharma Center, JB, Malaysia. And all the phone numbers, inquiries, anything you want, it is also here. And for further inquiries on research purpose, Goshri Dharma JB, they have shared many things here. So hope you guys will follow it. Thank you very much. This is, of course, if you can read Chinese, this is Chinese version poster. So all the important points are highlighted here. Yeah, and this is the English announcement. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will share this video and try to reach more people. Thank you very much.